How to log in or create account for ABN Amro Bank. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can log in or create account for ABN Amro Bank. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, in order to log in or create account, you can head over to your browser on any of your device, and then you can simply type in ABN Amro Bank login. Once you do so, you can see the first link that says internet banking. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it here, if you have the personal account, then you can head over to login option here, so you can see login with identifier. Similarly, if you want to log in for commercial one, then you can see at the right hand side as well. Now here you can see open the ABN Amro app. If you want to log in through the application, you can open up the application and log in as well. So as you can see, if you tap on the below, if you want to log in with the app or such, you can see account and card number and such you want to enter in. Similarly, if you want to create account, you can simply remove the login on the search bar and then you can type in register, right? So ABN Amro Bank register account online, and once you do so, you can see how you can open the account for yourself. You can download the ABN Amro app and click account, open account, submit your proof of identity, take a picture of your identity document and answer some questions, and you have sent your application. Then you want to upload your proof of residence. So you can see open a bank account in the Netherlands, ABN Amro. You can tap on it and you can go ahead and create an account here. So you want to choose the options such as you want to open the account for myself, us together, my child, an additional account, and go through the prompts. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.